Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of the Easy Dishes. I'm going to make frozen yogurt. It's perfect on a hot summer day. Today I will show you how to make healthy frozen yogurt with the strawberry and mango flavor. Let's start. My ingredients are 2 cups of frozen strawberry, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of milk, half a cup of whole milk yogurt. And of course I use the Greek one. I'm going to start with the milk. Milk helps blend everything in the blender. And then I'm going to add the honey. Of course, this is a healthier option because we are using honey and yogurt. It's very healthy and good for a hot summer day. Then I'll put the yogurt. Then the frozen strawberry. And I will start blending. It's now ready. I had to stop 2 times and stir with a spoon to make sure that everything is well mixed. There are 3 ways to serve frozen yogurt. Right now, I will show you the texture. It's thick. You can serve this as a smoothie, or you can put it for a couple of hours in the freezer and serve it as a soft serve, or leave it overnight and eat it as a hard frozen yogurt. I'm going to pour the mixture into a plastic container. Spread everything. Make it flat. Now the container is ready. I will cover it and put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to do the same exact ingredients with mango, frozen mango. Mango is famous in Egypt. We have so many different kinds of mango. It's the mango season in the summer, especially in August. And we have all kinds of mango ice cream, frozen yogurt mango, smoothies, just juice, mango juice. So I'm so happy that I was able to make this recipe at home and enjoy the frozen yogurt mango. My frozen yogurt is now ready. I left it 3 hours in the freezer. Let's open and see how it looks like. This is the mango, the strawberry. It looks very nice, soft, and healthy at the same time. I'm going to decorate it with a wafer roll. Here is my frozen yogurt. It looks amazing, as you see. I hope you liked the episode today. I hope that you can give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.